Today, we will show you how to replace the bushings that secure the steering servo housing to the mount on your Garmin force trolling motor. This will be the same process for both the 50 and 57-inch models. This video begins from the point where the steering servo housing has been removed from the mount. If you have not done this, please watch the mount teardown video. For this process, you will need the bushing replacement kit, which is Garmin part number S00-01000-30. Contact Garmin support to purchase this kit. Once the steering servo housing has been removed from the mount, we will replace the bushings that connect the upper link of the mount to the steering servo housing. First, secure the display panel cable so that it is not damaged during this process. Locate the bushings labeled 12.3, 12.2, and 12.1 in the bushing replacement kit. The second number indicates the thickness of the bushing, with 3 being the thickest. You should start with 12.3 and work towards 12.1. From the outside in, insert the bushings into the upper holes on the steering servo housing. Now, take the upper pin and attempt to push the pin through the bushings. We will want the pin to fit snugly in the bushings, but only hand force should be required. Do not use any blunt force items to hammer the pin into place. If it does not fit, we will want to then move to the next smallest size bushing, labeled 12.2. If it still does not fit, repeat the process with the next smallest size bushing, labeled 12.1. You should install the bushing thickness that works best in each side. It is not necessary to install bushings of the same thickness in both sides of the steering servo housing, and you should try different combinations to find the best fit that holds the steering servo housing stable on the mount. Once we have selected the right bushings, set aside the steering housing upper pin and selected bushings. Now we will repeat the same process for the bushings in the lower link of the steering servo housing, this time using the bushings marked 15.3, 15.2, and 15.1. These can be found in the bushing replacement kit. Following the same process, start with 15.3 and work towards 15.1, securing both sides with the bushing that has the most snug fit. Again, these can be different sizes, making sure that both sides need to fit as snug as possible. It is important to note again that while these should be snug, hand force should be all that is necessary for proper installation. Once both top and bottom bushings have been selected, follow the steps in the mount reassembly video to reassemble the trolling motor. And that's it. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.